And then state 7, do you recognize that?
Yes, sir.
In that photograph, does the blanket in Trayvon Martin's body underneath appear?
Yes, sir.
And again, would you circle that just for the members of the jury? States number 17, do you recognize that?
Yes, sir.
Is that how Trayvon Martin's body appeared after you placed the medical blanket on top of it?
Yes, sir.
States Exhibit 20, do you recognize that?
Yes, sir, I do.
What do you recognize that to be?
That's Mr. Martin's body, sir.
And is that in the way it appeared after he was pronounced dead in your efforts and Officer Ayala's efforts at CPR?
Yes, sir.
Similarly with this, we can see Trayvon Martin's body only because it is illuminated with a flashlight.
Yes, sir.
And I think you identified this as a gunshot wound. Did you actually view this gunshot wound?
Yes, sir.
On the body?
Yes, sir.
Looking for the area to cover up, and I think you said because there was air escaping.
Yes, sir.
Necessary for proper CPR?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear anything when you were performing CPR on Trayvon Martin?
Yes, sir.
What was that?
Bubbling sound, sir.
And what did those bubbling sounds indicate to you?
It meant that either air was getting into or escaping from the chest in a manner that it was not supposed to, sir.
Similarly, this is a picture with the yellow blanket in the distance, but also a photograph which, without the flash, would have been much darker, correct?
Yes, sir.
The entire area back then was as dark as it is in the background?
Yes, sir.
And states 8?
Standing right behind object marker number 1, also looking south.
All right, and I'm going to circle that on the screen. When you refer to the markers, that's what you're referring to?
That's correct.
All right.
This photo is taken from right over here, looking at object markers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
States 15.
Showing relationship, object marker number 5 and 7 to object marker number 6.
All right, and 6 is the body. Remind the jurors what are objects 5 and 7.
Object marker 5 is a flashlight, and 7 is a cell phone.
And states 22.
Showing a photo pin.
Was that pin collected as part of your work in this case?
Yes, that is correct.
States 23.
Documenting a watch.
As well as Mr. Martin's left hand, wrist.
That is correct.
And states 24.
Documenting our victim's right hand.
And states 25, is that a depiction of Trayvon Martin's body just from the other side now?
That is correct.
And states 26, does that more clearly capture the photo pin on Trayvon Martin's sweatshirt?
Yes, it does.
States 27, what's depicted there?
That is a possible projectile hole.
All right. And states 30, does that depict the cartridge case with the arrow?
Yes, it does. This would be the Arizona toucan shown in the photographs, and also the original packaging just attached to it.
Package of Skittles.
Yes, it is.
While at the station, did you take photographs of a person later identified to you as George Zimmerman?
Yes, I did.
You see that person in court this afternoon?
Yes, I do.
Can you identify where he's sitting or what he's wearing?
Over to my right, wearing a light-colored jacket and a plaid tie.
Your Honor, I'd ask that the record reflect that the witnesses identified the defendant.
The record will so reflect.
And Mr. Moon, absolutely. Swap these batteries out. States 56.
In the backside of Zimmerman's head.
States 57.
Just a close-up.
And state 66? Is that a shot of the right side of his head?
Yes, it is.
And state 67, the left side of his face?
Yes, it is.
And state 68, is that the left side of Mr. Zimmerman's head?
Yes, it is.
State 73,
The left side.
State 75.
The right side. I processed the grip, which is on the back side, the trigger, and the back part of the slide here.
Did you also collect Trayvon Martin's clothes?
Yes, I do believe so.
You recognize that?
Yes, I do.
And what does that appear to be?
The sweatshirt.
Let me sit this down for a second. State's Exhibit 22. The button appears in that photograph, does it not?
Yes, it is.
All right. And I'm going to circle a part here. Does that appear to be the edge of the Skittles bag?
Yes, it does.
And that would still be in the center pocket of Mr. Martin's hooded sweatshirt?
Yes, that is correct.
Your Honor, that's all I need the lights for. Thank you.